आई एम अनाउंसिंग माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट। मैं बस खुद से यही कहता हूँ कि भाई तू इस बात से दुखी मत हो कि तू अपने देश के लिए फिर नहीं खेलेगा, पर इस बात की खुशी अपने पास रख कि तू अपने देश के लिए खेला।
Indian cricketing star Shikhar Dhawan today announced his retirement from all formats of cricket.
नमस्कार सभी को। आज एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़ा हूँ जहाँ से पीछे देखने पर सिर्फ यादें ही नजर आती हैं और आगे देखने पर एक पूरी दुनिया। मेरी हमेशा से एक ही मंजिल थी, इंडिया के लिए खेलना, और वो हुआ भी, जिसके लिए मैं कई लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ। सबसे पहले मेरी फैमिली, मेरे बचपन के कोच तारिक सिन्हा जी, मदन शर्मा जी, जिनके अंडर मैंने क्रिकेट सीखी, फिर मेरी टीम जिसके साथ साथ मैं सालों खेला। मुझे एक परिवार और मिला, नाम मिला, अब सबका प्यार मिला। पर कहते हैं ना, कहानी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए पन्ने पलटना जरूरी है, तो बस मैं भी ऐसे ही करने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम अनाउंसिंग माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट। और अब जब मैं अपनी क्रिकेट जर्नी को अलविदा कह रहा हूँ तो मेरे दिल में एक सुकून है कि मैं अपने देश के लिए बहुत खेला, और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ बीसीसीआई डीडीसीए का, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया, और मेरे सारे फैंस का, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया। मैं बस खुद से यही कहता हूँ कि भाई तू इस बात से दुखी मत हो कि तू अपने देश के लिए फिर नहीं खेलेगा, पर इस बात की खुशी अपने पास रख कि तू अपने देश के लिए खेला। और ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है, मैं खेला।
The left-handed opener has been a key player in India's top order, amassing over 10,000 runs across formats. Be it in IPL or playing for the Indian cricket team, Shikhar Dhawan proved his mettle at multiple instances. From numerous injuries to a bitter divorce, affectionately called Gabbar by fans, faced numerous challenges on the field and off the field.
If I talk about myself, right, I had a challenge that I have coming back after injury, and I have to perform, and so everyone have different challenges. A lot of new player coming in, so they have their own challenges in their mind as well. So whenever you play international game, the pressure is always there, and yeah, but still I would say that we dominated this series, and but at the same time, everyone individually have their own challenges.
Together with Rohit, Dhawan formed India's second most successful opening pair in ODIs after Sachin Tendulkar and Saurav Ganguly.
Playing with 5 batsmen, then responsibility gets more on the top order, and still I like to back my game, and I play according to the wicket. If wicket is seaming or moving a little bit, then of course I'm gonna give respect to the bowlers. Especially like if I talk about this inning, I left lots of balls because they were bowling really good areas. So even if I wanted to hit, I couldn't hit because they were bowling really good areas, and then I have to respect that thing. And maybe if the wicket was more flatter, then I could have hit those balls too. So it totally depends on the wicket, and according to the wicket, I felt that I played nicely and took my time. I feel my shot selection has got better, so that's why I'm not getting out on 20-30s or not giving more chances to the opposition, and that's made the major difference in my batting.
Controlling your shots because you don't want to take those chances and think that you can go one.
No, not really. If there is a ball to hit, I'll hit. I won't, because if I'm standing over there, I need to score runs also for my team. So then that's my game. I like to back my game, and this time, because of the bruise on my hand, I played. It affected a little bit, and I played.
Whether on the field or off the field, Dhawan was always standing as a rock-solid support for his team. Here is Dhawan seen supporting his teammates even when he was injured. Known for his aggressive batting style and iconic moustache, Dhawan leaves behind an illustrious career spanning over a decade. Dhawan's retirement marks the end of an era for the Indian cricket.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.